All right, folks, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. That's the Beaver I'm working on right now. It's 2 slides. It's the Patriots 2000. The one with the SMC leveling system, they don't touch the ground. They're short little hydraulic cylinders, and they go from the frame to the suspension axle or H frame of the suspension. So the following videos, I think the 4 before this, I was showing you how to troubleshoot it remotely with a test light if you ain't got somebody to help you and all that. And yeah, you can use a mini max. If you have that multimeter, you can look at my videos on multimeters, how to use minimum and maximum. If you don't have it, test light works good. At least you know you're getting something back here. Then we went through, trying to figure out what's wrong up there, and we figured that out. And then we said, hey, let's learn how to pull this thing out. We did. I showed you that, and how to use multiple different color zip ties to mark stuff. You could use paint pens. That's up to you. If you only got 2 colors, you could use 1 dot on one hydraulic line, 2 dots on the other fitting and line, 3 dots. You got my drift. So here we go. This is that Halodex reservoir, right? It says Halodex there. And I already made a video, but look at what was inside that motor, folks. Look at that. This is not repairable, because you can see right there, there's like melted stuff right there, that black. Let me show you something. Hold on. I'm gonna put you on pause. All right, right there, that black stuff right there, that's all charcoaled. All right, right there. All right, so what I'm gonna do is yeah, look at it. I'm gonna dump it out. It's like little rocks and stuff. All right, so I'm gonna put you on pause. I'm gonna dump. All right, so that came out of there. Remember, we had the part number on here, right? 22003 975 975. 2200975 part number, and it is a production date A6 code counterclockwise, right? All right, so we're going to look this up. Well, now this is going to be another video, because that's in there. Look at that stuff falling off. God. Remember I said I was going to make sure the pump was spinning? Let's see. Oh, look at that, folks. No, the pump is not spinning. Oh, there it goes. I don't know if I trust it. When I take it apart, I'll look at it. Maybe I had it pulled, and now it's spinning. That's what you want to check that. But when we take this apart, I'm going to look in there. All right, so, well, if the motor was good and all, we would clean this up in emery cloth. Just shine her up, right? We could put that in a drill right there, spin this and clean it up. But folks, I could smell it. If you could smell burnt through this camera, you would go, oh my God. Yeah, it's just nasty. All right, thank you very much. I think this is video 5. And now the hunt is on for the part. Thank you very much. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Don't forget, test not guess. Visit the website, www.rvdiagnostics.com. Right there. That's a website. It's $150 a year. Unfortunately, the way the economy is going, I'm probably going to take it up to $200 a year. But the first time you use me, you're going to save that money, and you got the rest of the year with me. And the important part is you're going to learn each time. I'm not just going to go, hey, do this, and it's over. I want you to learn what you're learning, remember it, so you can use it again. All right. Thank you very much.